Hey guys, it's karsyn, welcome back to my video. This is like the third time I've done this intro because I don't know what I want to film today. Besides, I need to clean out my closet, but I don't want to try everything on. I did do a trying everything on in my closet video like a couple years ago to get rid of stuff, but I don't want to do that again because it's a lot of work taking on enough clothes. So this is going to be a fall closet clean out. Let's get started. Welcome to my closet. These just bought, so they go like under things, under big t-shirts or like overalls or anything like that. So these are cute. Nice little zip up, you know. I wear this frequently. I love Jesus t-shirt. I wear this frequently. I love this like baby tee from Target. I've got them in 3 colors. I've got this one, I've got a black one and a teal one, I think. I love it. It's like really stretchy. I don't need it. I don't think I grabbed this at all this summer. We're gonna put this in the sell pile. I'm probably just gonna put everything in the sell pile, and then if it doesn't sell, I'll donate it later. So my Depop will be linked in the description below if you want to buy anything you see. This is just a plain pinkish reddish crop top. This is another t-shirt from Target that I really like, stretchy. T-shirt I got from church. This is brand new. Big Adidas t-shirt. I don't really wear it. This is like one of my only Star Wars t-shirts, and you just need a Star Wars t-shirt every now and again. Also, it goes with my green shorts that I have, so this is the same as the white t-shirt. I really like this shirt. This wasn't a different color when I bought it. Like the fabric, they were all the same color. So I don't know what happened, but it's still cute. I still really like it. I don't really ever wear this. What's going in the sale? These 2 shirts my boyfriend got me from Savannah. I have not worn these 3 like lettuce t-shirts, lettuce cut t-shirts in a while because my arms are much larger than these holes, so you can't even see the lettuce work except on the bottom, so it's just a little funky. So these are going in the sale. They're really cute. I really like them. It's just my arms are big. Okay, one of these isn't mine. This one isn't mine. This is my brother's. This is a keep though. This is Atlanta United's away jersey. These are my long sleeve bodysuits. I really like these. They're from OQQ on Amazon. I haven't worn this in so long. It's cute, but like, it's just a little knotted shirt. It's cute, but I have not worn it. So, this is from my boyfriend's mom. You can't really have too many Atlanta United t-shirts. This is my Rocket t-shirt. This is probably gonna go in my little costume pouch that I have. Another t-shirt for Atlanta United. This is my brother's. Another Atlanta United t-shirt. My mom gave me this shirt. I don't really wear v-necks besides in like tank tops, so I've like never worn this. So, reffing shirt. Actually, I'll probably give this to my brother. I'll give this to my brother because I don't really ref anymore. Okay. This is my tank top slash summer slash everything hanger. Yeah, everything's on this. And I wear everything on this, so it's fine. I know what's on here. I wear what's on here. I wore all of this summer. And I know where it's at. It's all on this one hanger. Because I just don't have enough hangers or space to put it all in separate ones, and also they're all like tiny tank tops, but they gather up. I got this for the Maury Malone concert and I didn't wear it because it ended up being freezing. I'll see if my mom wants it because I don't think I'll ever wear that. You always need to have at least one Hawaiian t-shirt in your repertoire. This is like the same thing as my green shirt that I just got put in this old pile, except it's got like the little drop back. I like this shirt, but I haven't worn it in a while, so we should just sell it. And this is everything else that's back there on that first row. Got a black turtleneck. Let's see if my mother wants that. We've got the old white and orange jersey for Atlanta United. We'll keep this. We got an old tournament shirt. If you're like me, anytime you went to your soccer tournament, you would leave with a shirt. This one we got customized. It said, "I bust mine to kick yours." And I believe we won this tournament. My best friend Rachel also has hers. I think it says, "Even your mom claps for me." Yeah. I'm gonna give this to my mom. She's got like a box of shirts and stuff that are from old past tournaments and like trips and stuff that we just don't wear anymore. Just to like make a quilt out of it, I think. Workout shirt, sleep shirt. It matches a pair of my pajamas. This is not mine, this is my mother's. I have never worn that. Also, no one judge the hair, okay? It's crazy, it's a mess, and we love it, it's fine. National Honor Society. I'll see if mother wants that. If not, I'll probably just donate it. Oh, my Hamilton shirt! Yeah, this is cute. I really like this shirt. I think I'm gonna sell it. This is good for like cold beach trips. And since Rachel lives there now, it might get some use. This one goes the full length of the closet. This one only stops like right here. So this is harder. This is my Harley Davidson black zip up. I haven't worn this because it had a stain on it, but I guess I got it out last time I washed it. So yeah, I like this, I'm keeping it. This is my go-to black sweatshirt. It was my brother's and now it's mine. Atlanta United go-to cream sweatshirt. I'm telling you right now, almost none of these sweatshirts are getting sold. I really like this one. It says do not fear and it has a verse on the sleeve, except it is fading a wee bit. This I just got at MomoCon. It's got Zoro, his eyes on it from One Piece. And then it's got his wanted poster on the back. I really like this, it's really cool. This is my bookish hoodie. I really like it. If you're wondering why I'm not putting them back up, it's because I need the space to get everything else out of here. This is my Morgan Wallen hoodie from the concert I went to. I have a lot of green. I wear a lot of green. I don't know why, but I just do. This is a crew neck that my friend made for me, except it's falling apart. This is just gonna go in a donate pile, sadly. This is my go-to sweatshirt for whenever I go back to my high school to watch any games, like my brother's game. I like this fall shirt. I wore it a lot last fall. It fits me right. This shirt is a weird color. I think I'm gonna keep this. This is my Reinhardt sweatshirt from the one year that I went to Reinhardt University. This is my Kennesaw sweatshirt from the one year I went to Kennesaw. I don't have a sweatshirt from my current school. This is my plain like green one. I think I'm selling this. This got a lot of good use out of it, but I haven't picked it up in a while. That one also has like the drop thing on the side. I really like this one. I don't really wear this one. I'll keep it. This might not last to next year. Atlanta United crew neck. Now we're getting into stuff I haven't worn since last year. It'll get a little bit harder to decide for me. This I really like. I wear this all the time. I can wear it with skirts. I can wear it with jeans. We like this. This is like the only quarter like button slash zip that I have. I also have the matching shorts because it's pajamas. So I like this. We'll keep this. Absolutely love this sweater. Love, 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 love this sweater. This is like my favorite sweater that I have. This I like, and it matches these. We'll keep it. I haven't worn this in a while. We'll see if my mom wants this. This is like the same thing as those two little like cropped sweater t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirt things, except it's scoop neck and it's cropped. I like it. This is my flag football crew neck, except they sent me a medium. She asked me what size I was and I said extra large, and so she sent me an extra large t-shirt for it, but then a medium crew neck, and I would have rather had she swapped that, but oh well, it's fine. We're keeping it because I love flag football, and this, I really miss flag football. This I do not want anymore. This I haven't worn. This still has a tag on it. I'm gonna see if mom wants that, because I don't. It just does not get cold enough in Georgia for like thick sweaters. I like this one though. We'll keep this another year. We'll see. I like this, but it's not cropped enough to where I like it a lot. I love the sides, but we'll see if mom wants this. I did not wear this at all last year, I don't think. This is a no. This is also a no. Sell. This is also a sell. I haven't worn. Those are like sets, so I'll probably sell the bottoms if I still have them with those. I've never worn this. It still has a tag on it. We'll see if mom wants that. I like this shirt. We're keeping it. I like this shirt, However, I think I'm gonna sell it. My thing is, I almost never like actually dress up for fall. It's just like crew neck and sweater season. This is a no. We're selling that. This I got for flag football. It's just a plain cropped white shirt. Can't go wrong with this. This is a see-through plain white cropped t-shirt. Is it see-through? I'm not gonna wear it. This is with my Harry Potter pajamas. We'll sell it as a set with the Harry Potter pajamas. This is my long sleeve black turtleneck that I like because it's softer. I haven't really worn it a lot, but we'll keep it. We'll see what happens. That can go to Campbell. All this is soccer memorabilia stuff. I like those. I'll see if Campbell wants that. That's from a tournament. We can give that to Mom. We'll see if Campbell wants this and that. We'll see if Campbell needs those. Here we have a blanket scarf. It's good for decorating. Not for wearing. They're too small for me. They're a 6.5 and I wear a 7 in Vans and Converse. So I'm gonna sell these. I understand it's pink right here and right there. We're keeping it. I like it. Always need some type of flannel. We'll keep it. My boyfriend's mom gave me this. It's a set. The infamous Teddy jacket. This is a sell. Sadly. This is fine. We'll keep this another year. We'll see if this gets any use this year, and if not, we'll get rid of it. This is the dress that I graduated in. I really like it. It goes really well with my new boots that I just bought. I'm gonna get rid of this flannel because I like this flannel, and I wear that flannel, and I wear that and that, but not this. I haven't worn this in a while. We're selling that. This is my pin shirt. I also just like it. 2 different dresses. This is my dress from Becca and Jared's wedding. This dress I wear all the time. It's a fall cute little dress. I think it's like one of my only long dresses besides my bridesmaid dresses that I have. This is like my one winter coat that I have because it doesn't get cold in Georgia. It's a keep. Okay, you remember how I had that like tank top hanger that was just a bunch of small shirts? This is like the same thing but with dresses. I love this purple dress. This purple dress is very cute. This yellow dress I bought like towards the end of summer, so I haven't gotten a chance to wear it. This green dress I did wear a couple times in summer. It's actually a romper. This one my mom gave to me a couple days ago. We'll see if it gets any use next summer. We're gonna make this my Ren Fair hanger. That's my black over skirt. This is my red dress that goes with that. This is my black and red dress that is Ren Fairy dress hanger. I wore this. I like this. This is a white dress that I wore to the cruise. I think this is actually a little small. We'll see. We'll see if that gets any use next year. If not, then no. And I really like this one. This one did not get any use because it was so late. And then this is like way too nice for anything that I've been to recently. This I got for Rachel's sister's wedding. Like, I love this dress. I absolutely love this dress. But it's an extra small. And I'm too tall for it. It's a sell, sadly. This is my pink dress. I like this dress. Bodycon dress. This is one of my homecoming dresses. This is also still good for cruises and stuff. We'll see if Mom wants this. Because I have not worn a cardigan in forever. We'll see if Mom wants that because I've never worn that. This I wore to the opening of the flag football wall. I like this dress, but we're gonna put it over in the Ren Fair pile because it looks very Ren Fair to me. We're getting rid of this. This is going in its own pile. Once again, the Sherpa, I didn't realize that was still back here. I don't like that. No. This is my sparkle dress. It stays in the bag because otherwise there will be sparkles everywhere in my closet. I really like it though. This is my little corduroy overcoat. I still like this. We'll see if it gets any use this fall, but I really like this still. This actually might become I might move my pins to this because I wear that more than I wear this. So this might become my new pin, like, shirt. This is just a plain black cardigan that I haven't worn. So, this is very tassel-y. We'll see if Mom wants that. Actually, we'll just put that in the sell pile. I never worn this. I just got this from my grandma, I think. I haven't worn this, but it's really pretty. This is my sophomore year homecoming dress. This is the South. This isn't even mine. This is Brooke's. I need to give this back to Brooke. I've never worn this, but I might. We'll keep it just for funsies. Oh, I've never worn this, but it's cute. I like that. We'll keep that. Y'all, that's everything that's in my closet. At least clothes-wise. Now I gotta tackle my dresser. I got my protein drink. And we're ready to go. And I know I can get rid of some stuff. So that's what we're gonna be doing. What are we having for dinner, Dad?
Lobster rolls.
Delicious. I might just time-lapse this bit because I figured out that on the Amazon Fire TV, you can download Audible as an app. So now I have Audible on my TV and I can play my audiobook so I can listen to my book while I do all this. Listen now to Six of Crows. Okay, now I'm gonna listen and organize this. This is my sweatpants and pajamas drawer. Some of this stuff might go. This is my leggings, sweatpants, workout clothes drawer. We're on to this. Most of this is actually gonna get put out and hung up now that I have a bunch of hangers that I can actually use. Okay, I'm gonna get started with this one. That's done. All of these shorts, I've got like 10 different pairs of these shorts. I love these shorts. I'm wearing them right now. All of these shorts are gonna go in the bottom here. I think I'm gonna donate. These are my only pair of black jeans, and I want to sell them because they're just a little too small on me. I might like them more if I put more rips in them, but I think they're just a little too, just the tiniest bit too small. But everything else in here is good. I think I'll get rid of these. The other pair of jeans that I wear more is the same exact color as these. They're literally like basically the same. That's that drawer. That drawer is easy because it's just denim. The hardest part about this is getting all these back in here. I probably should just like not take them out. That might have been easier. I'm actually done then, I guess. Yeah, I'm done. Because that's just all my socks and underwear, and I throw those away as needed, so it's up to date. I've got 2 piles of laundry over there. I've got my sell pile, my keepsake pile, my give back to Brooke pile, my give to Campbell pile. Although the video is ending here, my work is cut out for me. I have to now sell all of that. I have to edit this video. It's quite a large pile, actually. Look at this. Here, I'll just show you guys. That is everything I got rid of. I'm proud of myself. That is keepsake. That is going to Campbell. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. Those are linked in the description. My Depop, if you want to buy anything you saw in this video that I put in the sell pile, my Depop is in the description. Please, please, please fund my book addiction. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, and the little costume. Hello.